Alright, this is MH4 Designs. I'm gonna start shooting some videos, but this thing right here is what I used to use my vacuum. My dust collecting for my belt sanders. And I've been using this part to put my camera stand in there so I can video me doing stuff. But now I need this back on here because I need to show you how I grind some of my lures. So what I need to do is make another one of these. This has got concrete in it, just a regular 1-inch PVC with an adjustable with a screw so I can raise it up and down, but it's pretty much always set just to slide back and forth for each belt sander. But this is my dust collectors just for this. This one on here just goes in there. So anyways, come over here. So we're going to make another one. So I'm going to just use this pan. I have another 1-inch PVC that I am going to drop. I'm going to put in here, but I do not have any concrete with me. But I do have some old thin set from about, I don't know, 10 years ago in my last tile project in the house. So I'm going to mix this up and I will set this pipe. I heated it up, as you can see. I heated it up, bent it into 90 just so it won't pull out of the thin set, because I don't think the thin set is gonna do that well. But I'm gonna go in the backyard, get some rocks for some added weight, maybe a brick or two, see what I can find. But all right, stay tuned.